International Java HD Day, popularly known as IJVD, celebrated its 24th edition on 12 July 2026, marking another milestone in one of the world's longest-running ride-along motorcycle traditions. What started 24 years ago as a small grassroots initiative by passionate Java and HD owners has now become a global celebration of motorcycling, heritage, and friendship. Every year, on the second Sunday of July, riders from different generations come together to honor the timeless legacy of these iconic motorcycles. This year, the celebrations were truly remarkable. More than 7,500 riders participated across 150-plus cities in India, supported by over 40 Java HD rider clubs and enthusiast communities. The event also expanded beyond India, with riders in 11 countries joining through local rides, community gatherings, and online participation, making IJVD a truly global movement. One of the most special aspects of International Java HD Day is seeing beautifully restored vintage Java and HD motorcycles riding alongside the latest Java and HD models. While the motorcycles may belong to different eras, they are united by a common passion for riding, adventure, and community. This year's edition also strengthened international connections as Java communities around the world joined hands with riding clubs across India under a shared identity. This created a global network of enthusiasts celebrating the same spirit, regardless of where they live. Speaking on the occasion, Anupam Thareja, co-founder of Classic Legends, said that what began as a simple expression of passion has now evolved into a worldwide tradition that belongs to the riders themselves. He added that every ride, every gathering, and every shared story keeps the Java HD legacy alive, while celebrating the friendships and memories built around these legendary motorcycles. International Java HD Day is more than just a motorcycle event. It is a celebration of heritage, brotherhood, adventure, and the enduring bond between riders. As the movement continues to grow each year, it stands as a powerful reminder that the spirit of Java and HD lives on. Not only through the motorcycles, but through the passionate community that keeps their legacy alive.